Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Fusion gas tank step by step. First, unlock the vehicle and sit in the driver's seat. Locate the fuel door release lever near the floor, or press the fuel door on the rear quarter panel if your model uses a push-to-open mechanism. Gently pull the lever or press the door until it clicks open, then walk to the rear and lift the cap to refuel. In this video, I will show how to open Ford Fusion gas tank step by step. Sit up straight and reach to the lower left side of the driver footwell to find the release lever. Pull the lever toward you with a steady motion until you hear the fuel door pop open. If your Fusion lacks a lever, try pressing the rear quarter panel fuel door or check the trunk for an alternate release. In this video, I will show how to open Ford Fusion gas tank step by step. Once the fuel door is open, grasp the gas cap and turn it counterclockwise to loosen and remove it. Use the fuel door holder or set the cap on a clean surface while you refuel to avoid dirt falling into the filler neck. After fueling, align the cap and turn clockwise until you hear a secure click to ensure a proper seal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.